This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use. Gold begins its journey deep beneath the earth in large industrial mining operations. Heavy-duty haul trucks transport gold-bearing rock from the pit to the processing plant. Precision drilling prepares the rock for controlled blasting and extraction. Carefully planned explosions break gold-bearing rock free from the mine wall. Excavators transfer the broken gold-bearing rock into haul trucks for transport. The mined ore is transported directly to the processing plant for further treatment. At the processing plant, raw ore enters the first stage of industrial treatment. Powerful crushers reduce the mined rock into smaller, manageable pieces. Vibrating screens separate crushed material by size before fine grinding. The crushed ore is ground into a fine powder to release the gold particles. Water is added to the ground ore, creating a slurry that moves to the separation stage. Air bubbles help separate gold-bearing minerals from unwanted material. Technicians continuously monitor and adjust the separation process in real time. Gold-rich concentrate is gathered for the next stage of recovery. Excess water is removed to concentrate the gold-bearing material. Filtration removes remaining water before chemical gold extraction begins. The dried concentrate is prepared and moved for gold recovery processing. Chemical solutions dissolve the gold from the processed mineral material. Activated carbon captures dissolved gold from the circulating solution. Regular sampling verifies how much gold has been recovered from the solution. The captured gold is washed off the carbon for final recovery. Electric current deposits gold onto metal plates inside the cells. The deposited gold is removed from the recovery plates. The recovered gold is collected as a concentrated residue. Moisture is removed from the gold residue before melting begins. The prepared gold material is loaded into the furnace for melting. Extreme heat melts the gold into liquid metal. The liquid gold is poured into precision molds to form bars. The molten gold slowly cools and solidifies inside the molds. The solid gold bar is released from its mold after cooling. Remaining residue is removed to prepare the bar for inspection. The prepared gold bars are staged for final quality checks. Each gold bar is weighed precisely to confirm its official mass. Non-destructive testing confirms the gold's purity and composition. Inspection results are recorded and prepared for official certification. Each gold bar is permanently marked for identification and traceability. After final approval, the gold bars are cleared for secure delivery.
All cases are locked and accounted for. Confirmed. Ready for transport.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.